Hi guys, today I am going to chat about an idiom. It's called to be off. Here are three ways to use this idiom. First, if you aren't working today, it means you are off. Let's make a dialogue. Hi buddy, I am coming to your office. I am off today. Second, you can use this idiom instead of verbs like going, leaving, and so on. See you, I am off. Third, if you want to say that you refuse to do something, it is a good way to use this amazing idiom. Let's make a dialogue again. Could I order coffee for you? No, thanks. I am off coffee.